I think that's why I don't come often to these rest area. So guys, I made it to the beach. I started all the way at the top of the river and now I made my way here. It's insane, it's beautiful. So now let's go for that 1 hour of walking with like 40 pounds on me. So last night I slept at this rest area. It's a very nice parking spot. I even have a toilet, so it's super nice to have. It's very handy. I don't usually camp in those parking spots, but yesterday when I got off work, I directly took my truck here. I'm next to a river and a beautiful waterfall. So that's why I'm here today, because I'm gonna take the paddleboard out on the river and make my way all the way through to Simon Lake. It's gonna be a beautiful day. I'm very excited, but before I go on the river, I'm gonna have breakfast. So for breakfast this morning, I'm gonna have eggs, oatmeal with some chocolate protein powder and a pear in it. It's gonna be super good. A big breakfast for a big day. I should have some spices up here. Yeah. This is saving me all the time. It's so tiny and so perfect. It's called multi-spice. Whoa. Eggs are ready and I'm waiting for the water to boil, so I'm just gonna eat them right away. A little tasty meal It's not the best pan, but it does the job just fine. Bon appétit! Mmm, delicious. There's someone just next to me that arrived. I love this kind of setup because I'm not annoying anybody. I'm just in my car, in my truck, cooking, and it doesn't really show unless you peek into the car and you see. I think that's why I don't come often to these rest area, because there's too much back and forth from everyone, so you're not that cozy, you're not feeling like it's a real campsite. But this one is very nice. I love it. It's beautiful with all the flowers and the trees surrounding it. While being on the road or traveling, it's perfect. But for just camping for camping, it's not that great. Time to inflate the paddleboard, and I've come to a conclusion that it is so hard and so long to inflate these, it's insane. So let's get to work. Even though I have a dual action pump, it's quite intense. I've got my life jacket, my goodies for the day, some water, some beverages, my lunch, everything basically for the day. I'm now ready to hit the beautiful river. So guys, that's the starting point. I'm starting from here. Looks like there's a lot of current actually. It's gonna be my first time in a river with the paddleboard. It's the first real adventure because I used to go on lakes. So I've got all my things secured. I've got the backpack so I can put the paddleboard at the end because I'm gonna need to walk my way up. Let the adventure begins! Oh my god, it's so smooth! There's a lot of people on the lake today, on the river. Oh, it's super nice! Wow! This is life. It's just so nice. I think paddleboards are meant to be on little rivers like this. It's just so versatile, you know? I find it easier to control on little creeks like this, woo, than on lakes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The current is strong. Stronger than I thought. I'm getting hungry, so I have my meal with me. It's a chili and it's super good. And I have a little beer, a little seltzer. It's so good. There's no sugar, a little bit of alcohol. Cheers, guys. Just sipping on my half beer, half water, because I dropped it in the water. Wow, it's insanely beautiful. There's a lot of waves here. Whoa! It's crazy. Woo! So guys, I made it to the beach. I started all the way at the top of the river and now I made my way here. It's insane, it's beautiful. So I'm just there with the paddleboard and right now I need to make my way to the other side completely at the other beach, because the road I need to take is there to go back to my car. So yeah, I'm gonna go there with all of the current. It's crazy, so I'm gonna try my best. Okay, so guys, I took all my things with me. I have the paddleboard in the backpack. I have my things on the side, and it looks like I'm in a campground right now. I don't really know, but yeah. So now let's go for that 1 hour of walking with like 40 pounds on me. Oh, let's go. It was a very nice adventure with the little river, the beaches, and now the campground I'm at. Oh my god, guys, I just made it back and it feels so good to be seated. Woo. So I don't really have a plan right now. I think I'm just gonna go with the flow. I'm gonna try to find a camping spot tonight, but not in a municipal parking. I'm gonna try to go a little deeper to find something. I don't know. It's gorgeous. I just hope I can find a sleeping spot, because it doesn't seem like there is a good spot on this road, unfortunately. It doesn't seem like there's camping spot in this area. Oh my god. I'm starting to get very annoyed. Yeah, I'm backing out. There's just water underneath. Oh my god. It's not good. Oh. So I think I'm just gonna leave the area that I'm in right now, because I tried everything and I didn't see a good spot. Okay, so guys, I think I've come to a conclusion. I think I'm gonna go back home. So tomorrow I have a good time with some friends, because I've been very lonely this past couple weeks and months. So yeah, I'm gonna take time for my friends and for me. I didn't find a camping spot tonight, unfortunately. I was just pissed at the end for not finding a good one. So thank you very much guys for watching. It means a lot. You're incredible. It's awesome. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching and be safe exploring.